Today we are going to edit this picture of the flower with the help of free app Snapseed, something like this. For that we have to first open the interface and select the image. Here I will edit this image. We select the healing option for removing the flower totally. Selecting the lens blur tool for blur the background totally. Selecting the curves, here we will decrease the blue curve for give the whole image a yellowish tone. Now selecting the double exposure tool, here we will import the flower raw image. Adjusting the image, we keep its opacity to 100. Now we going to the masking screen. We have to carefully place the flower. Switching on the I button so that we can see all the left portion and properly remove the flower edges. Adding some details to the flower. With the help of brush tool, we make the center more darker. Giving more brightness to the stigma. Here we get many filters which can fulfill the image requirement. So here I use the pop filter, it seems good to me. Now we export the image to the gallery. This is the final result and the raw image. If you like my work, then press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.